Man, family. I like to burn stuff. I'm sorry. I'm sorry in the Mother Nature, but family. Teddy. Hey, buddy. Teddy. Hey, buddy. We got all the other dogs over here. Don't call Peter. Peter's so punk. We ain't do anything, Peter. We did nothing, Peter. Me and my mom did that earlier, but now next thing you know, my brother come with a freaking, I don't know what you name that. Can't you just still use that for a deer blind? Cause it would, yeah. Mom, still no. I'm gonna call Peter. I will call Peter. Peter. I know his phone number, 919-657-891011. I swear, if I did guess that right, that'd be incredible. Yo no sabes. I don't know, where's the hammer?